Hello there, it's Paul here and welcome along everyone. Now this time I have just been out to my wood pile outside, picked up another piece of this walnut branch. The ends are certainly fairly well cracked, and it's interesting again that the pith on these is just literally dissolving, so that will be something to deal with afterwards. Now I've already cut out one blank out of there. The moisture content on these is reading up to about 20%. Now my plan is to rough turn some boxes. I'm going to start off turning these between centres. I've just got a small stab centre there that I'll use, and I use my cone live centre there because then at least that way it doesn't dig right into the wood. Once I've just got all this trued up, I will stick a tenon on each end. Then I can part the piece off where I want the lid and do all the shaping and hollowing out. bottom. So 1, 2. Well, out of that branch I've managed to get 5 rough turned box blanks. That's the very first one I've done. Now the reason I have took these right back on the end here is I'm trying to get it so that the bases are also roughly equal thickness. I've left enough meat on there so that they're not going to wobble about when I put them back on to finish them off. They are already starting to dry well. I have dated them, weighed them, and because I've done different sets, I've marked them up for which pairing goes together. Now, interestingly enough, this walnut also has a bit of spalting in it, so that will be interesting to see what this finishes up like. Now, hopefully these won't be sitting about too long before I can actually finish off and turn them. I'm just going to leave them literally in the workshop like this, so they'll open up like that, getting as much air as possible. Now all of these do have holes for where the pith is going through, so it's always going to be in the bottom there. So that means that when I do finish these off, I will probably then have to do some form of a filler on them as well, unless I just leave them as a feature. Now this one, the very first one which I videoed, was the only one I actually drilled down the centre just for hollowing out. All the rest on these, even the bigger one there, just manually hollowed out with the spindle gouge, and I was doing these probably, each one of these in probably about 5-10 minutes. It's that quick, and I just initially just took the skew over the sides just to see what sort of the finish they're going to come up with. Like moisture content inside there, I'm still getting readings of 15%, 16%, and I dare say it's probably a little bit more further down, but the outsides are already going down to about 12. Now that's a quick and easy project. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next project video.